We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and we have a 2021 Harley Davidson Street Glide Special in Vivid Black. We have dual disc brakes in the front with ABS. The engine detailing is in chrome, including the engine guards up front. We have the rider floorboards on top of the 114 cubic inch engine. Locking saddlebags. And a nice big front fairing. Keeps all the wind off of you for commuting or whatever trip you'd like to take. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson, located in San Marcos, California, and we're open for test rides 6 days a week.